Number 8. CX-30 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus, the ultimate package. The fear of buying a vehicle and discovering you're missing needed features is every buyer's nightmare. The Turbo Premium Plus eliminates that regret by including every available feature: heated steering wheel, 360-degree monitor, power liftgate, active driving display, cruising and traffic support, wireless charging, and Bose audio. Also, the frustration of merging onto highways with underpowered engines that struggle to reach speed safely is universal. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv G Turbo produces 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet with premium fuel, eliminating that anxiety, while standard paddle shifters let you take control when situations demand maximum performance. Sirius XM satellite radio ensures you never lose signal in remote areas, while the auto-dimming driver's door mirror eliminates blinding glare from vehicles behind you during night driving. At $37,900, the Turbo Premium Plus is the definitive choice for buyers wanting absolutely everything: maximum performance, complete luxury features, and advanced technology with zero compromises. But if you don't need every single feature Mazda offers, there's a more focused performance option. Number 7. CX-30 2.5 Turbo Air Edition. Performance meets style. The frustration of merging onto highways with underpowered engines that struggle to reach speed safely is something every naturally aspirated engine owner has experienced. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv G Turbo produces 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet with premium fuel, eliminating that anxiety, while standard paddle shifters let you take control when situations demand it. Long highway drives and stop-and-go traffic create mental fatigue that makes driving feel like work. Cruising and traffic support combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering assist, reducing constant micro-adjustments during tedious conditions. Hot summer days when your dark interior feels like an oven. This universal frustration is why the Turbo Air Edition adopts the bright aesthetic. White leatherette seats with gray cloth inserts stay significantly cooler in sunlight and create spaciousness that makes the cabin feel larger. At $34,410, the Turbo Air Edition is ideal for performance-oriented buyers wanting significant power with distinctive styling, but not every luxury feature. However, if you prefer naturally aspirated power with maximum luxury, there's a compelling alternative. Number 6. CX-30 2.5S Premium, the luxury leader. Cold winter mornings when steering wheels feel like ice cubes. The heated steering wheel, available in the new 2026 model, completely eliminates this discomfort. The 360-degree view monitor solves parking anxiety by showing exactly what's around your vehicle from every angle. Struggling with heavy cargo and manual lift gates while carrying groceries is a universal frustration. The power lift gate opens with a button press, making loading effortless when hands are full. Taking eyes off the road for speed or navigation is dangerous, but necessary. The active driving display projects essential information onto the windshield, while traffic sign recognition ensures you never miss important road information. Night driving anxiety increases when you can't see curves ahead. The adaptive front lighting system swivels headlights to illuminate curves, while LED signature lighting provides bright, clear illumination that makes night driving significantly safer. At $33,240, the Premium is perfect for buyers wanting every available luxury feature on the naturally aspirated platform. But if luxury isn't your priority, there are two compelling styling alternatives at lower prices. Number 5. CX-30 2.5S Carbon Edition, the bold statement. Driving a vehicle that looks exactly like every other crossover is automotive mediocrity. Exclusive polymetal gray paint, unavailable on other naturally aspirated CX-30s, immediately sets this trim apart from the sea of silver crossovers clogging highways. Boring beige and black interiors get replaced with something that makes a statement. Also, red leather seats with matching accents create a dramatic visual impact that turns every drive into an occasion rather than just transportation. For audiophiles, poor audio quality slowly erodes driving enjoyment. Thankfully, this trim comes standard with the Bose 12-speaker premium sound system that transforms your vehicle into a mobile concert hall, delivering rich, immersive audio that makes every song sound exactly as artists intended. At $31,030, the Carbon Edition targets buyers wanting visually striking vehicles with premium audio, but not every luxury feature. But if bold red interiors aren't your style, there's a completely opposite aesthetic approach. Number 4. CX-30 2.5S Air Edition, the bright alternative. Hot summer days when your dark interior feels like an oven. This universal frustration is exactly why Mazda created the all-new Air Edition. White leatherette seats with gray cloth inserts stay significantly cooler in sunlight and create spaciousness that makes the cabin feel larger. Traditional dark interiors can feel oppressive for buyers who appreciate contemporary design. Therefore, this trim comes with gray suede-like trim with light gray stitching that creates the bright, airy atmosphere of upscale modern homes, bringing that sophistication to your daily drive. And the list of standard features is pretty impressive. Large touchscreen, wireless charging, moonroof, and advanced safety systems. You get unique aesthetics without sacrificing functionality. At $29,850, just $560 more than preferred, it's ideal for buyers wanting mid-level features with modern aesthetics. So styling editions offer compelling alternatives. But if you want core technology upgrades without unique aesthetics, there's a more straightforward choice. Number 3. CX-30 2.5S Preferred. The technology leap. Ever tried using a small touchscreen while driving and realized how dangerous it is? The 10.25-inch center display with touchscreen functionality solves this safety concern by letting you use touch when parked but maintaining safe knob operation while driving. Constant searches for charging cables and dead phone batteries during important calls create modern stress. The standard wireless phone charging eliminates this daily annoyance completely, keeping devices powered without effort. The list of standard equipment also includes a power-sliding glass moonroof that transforms the cabin atmosphere, filling the space with natural light, while rain-sensing windshield wipers prevent sudden downpour surprises. Parking anxiety in tight spaces is universal, but this trim includes standard front and rear parking sensors that eliminate that stress by alerting you to obstacles. Moreover, there's also smart brake support rear that can actually prevent backing accidents when you can't see everything behind you. At $29,290, we could say that this trim is perfect for buyers wanting substantial technology upgrades without specific styling packages. But if you want modern convenience without the technology complexity, there's a simpler approach. Number 2. CX-30 2.5S Select Sport, the sweet spot. Although among more affordable variants in the lineup, this trim comes standard with heated front seats because these are among the most requested features. The Select Sport delivers this comfort upgrade along with dual-zone automatic climate control so you and your passenger can stop arguing about temperature. The real daily frustration this trim solves is tangled charging cables cluttering your console. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto eliminate that cable chaos completely, while Amazon built-in integration lets you control smart home devices without taking your hands off the wheel. Road trips become more enjoyable when music actually sounds good, and you'll be happy to know that this trim comes with an upgraded 8-speaker Mazda harmonic acoustic system that delivers audio clarity that makes every drive feel premium, while 18-inch black metallic alloy wheels address the complaint that base model wheels look cheap. At $27,660, this trim is ideal for tech-savvy buyers who want modern conveniences without expensive jumps, but even these practical upgrades might be more than some buyers actually need. Number 1. CX-30 2.5S, the Smart Foundation. First and foremost, Mazda includes their iActive all-wheel drive system as standard equipment on even the base CX-30. A brake-based limited slip differential ensures that when one wheel spins, power transfers to the wheel with grip, giving you control when you need it most. Of course, as a base trim, it comes with a standard engine, but don't be fooled by the lack of forced induction. This 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine produces 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic that includes manual and sport modes for taking control, and it's easily one of the most capable standard engines in the class. And although a base trim, there's no such thing as missing basic features. Mazda offers keyless entry and start as standard, plus an 8.8-inch infotainment display. But here's what separates this base trim. Smart brake support, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring are all standard, protecting you from day one. At $25,975, it's perfect for practical buyers who want premium driving dynamics and comprehensive safety without paying for unused features. Here's what it all comes down to. Buyers wanting absolutely everything should choose the Turbo Premium Plus, while performance enthusiasts preferring distinctive style should consider the Turbo Area Edition. Luxury seekers wanting naturally aspirated power should go straight to the Premium, but style-conscious buyers choose between the Bold Carbon Edition or Bright Air Edition. Tech-focused drivers will find their sweet spot in the preferred trim, while practical buyers wanting modern conveniences should focus on the Select Sport. The base 2.5S proves you don't need to spend more for for exceptional safety and driving dynamics. Simply, Mazda has eliminated guesswork by creating 8 trims that each solve specific buyer needs, therefore making your decision significantly easier than navigating confusing competitor lineups. But as impressive as the CX-30 is, it's not like there are no worthy competitors that stand out in a completely different way, like the 2026 Nissan Kicks you can check out in our next video. If practicality plays a significant role for you, even in this very segment, then you'll be amazed by everything this small crossover has to offer. The Kick stands out with its generous passenger and cargo space, while the interior quality is comparable to many models from the class above.